What's good, everyone? Today, we got on one of the most anticipated releases this year, the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. This is the 5th time that Jordan Brand has released this sneaker, but unlike the pairs in the past, they did make a lot of changes to these. Instead of using the nubuck material that was originally on these, they gave these a complete leather makeover. And also, instead of using the original shape that these had, they gave these a very similar shape to the Jordan 4 SBs that came out last year. And in my opinion, with the changes that they made to these, they made these 10 times better than they already were. This pair is just a lot more durable than the OG pair, and these have a more premium feel to them, in my opinion. These released on February 17th for a retail price of $215. I've seen rumors saying that the stock number is around 500,000 pairs. I know that seems like a lot, but these are still gonna sell out instantly, and they're not gonna be easy to get for everybody. The last time I checked what the resale price was on these, it was only around $300, and these still haven't officially come out yet. So after the official release date, I could definitely see the price dropping on these. So if you do miss out on them for retail, you really shouldn't have to pay that much over it. As far as the sizing goes on these, I would go true to size. They don't feel like any other Jordan 4 that I've had. They do feel a lot more comfortable, and they have a more spacious fit to them. As far as the quality goes on these, it's nothing we haven't seen before, but since they are leather, they do have a nice premium feel to them. Overall, if you're looking to get these, do not sleep on them. These are gonna sell out instantly. I know the stock number is rumored to be really high, and I know a lot of people are biased and hating on these because they're not the OG pair, but I could definitely see these growing on a lot of people in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate everyone for watching. I'm out. Peace.